Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing Dreambox only, and today we'll be doing the mouse one. So let's get into it. So, it looks like we have a new lesson. So the new lesson that I'm gonna start today is this one. This is gonna take a while to load. So now there is apparently thousands, but of course we don't even have 1,000 yet. So I trying to make each one of these holds 100. Each one of these equals 1,000. So 1,915. So now we're gonna try to do all the moves that we could do. So first we could do that. See, now that we do over button. Now that's done. Then make boxes of 100 and then package them. So this is just to show how to do this lesson. So we tried to do all the moves. See if we could do it. So now transport. So now we did 1. Now we just had to make 10. So now we only think we have to do that. So now I finished all the goals. So now there's still other ways, like packing this to 100. So now that we did that, we run the speedy back button. So then we could do this, give this to the 10. So that's the unspeedy pack button. So now that's all the goal. So now since we've done that, it's a tutorial for next time when we do this lesson. So sometimes these items you can see them all. The number shows the number of loose items. So now just gonna go to next. Now that we did that, the tutorial of that, we're gonna be doing something like that still again. So now we're just gonna be doing this. So that's practically like a thing like this. So now I think we might have unlocked something in our house. So there's 2,917 loose items by itself. So we're trying to find ways to back to 2019. Lots of different ways. For example, like 2. So for example, 2, and then so that goes in 2. 2 pallets equals 2,000. Then loose items 917. So then that would go in the ones. It's the loose items. So now that's one way. So we're trying to find all the ways. So I think we found another way. 0. Then check mark. So now that goes in the. Oh no. So now, since there's one, just put one ballot. So now that check mark. Respect ballot. So now that's the second way to do it. 2 ballots. 2. And how much? So meaning those 627 remaining. So now we're gonna do how much pallets. So how much pallets we could do? 2 ballots all over again. So then pallets we could just put 2 again. 2 ballots. Then we could put so now look how much loose items. There is 831. So now we'll put 831. So now let's go move on. So now it's gonna take a while. So now it only has 154. So about pellets, you can only do 1 pallet, so let's just put 1. So then we'll put check mark. Then how much loose items? 154. Let's put this in the box. So if you still don't understand, we're trying to find. We're trying to put all the pellets in there. We're trying to separate all the pellets from all the rest of the numbers, like the 10s and the 100s and the 1s, because the pellets are different. So we're trying to separate it. So, for example, instead of like this being like a horns all grouped together, it's separated, so it's split. So now, items loose items 154. This is clear. So let's just erase that. So 107. So now since we're doing the same thing as last time, trying to separate. So now that we know that they can only do 1 pallet, we can only put 1. Since you can't do another 1,000. So now we're gonna do the next one. Loose items. 792. 792. So now it's gonna press next. So now it's done. So now it's gonna take a while to do it. So now we're just gonna get this backpack. Look, we got a new thing. It is this. So it says, Hemi, oh, let's see if we could take home. Wee! So now we're just gonna go to the next one. So unfortunately we're done. So Thank you for watching. If you're watching, if for those who don't know us, I'm Polly, and our channel is called My Channel. Subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell, and subscribe, and bye.